it's me, your teacher Sarifa, and today we are going to learn the chapter 3, and that is animals and birds. Okay, so let's start at a glance, instant notes. Okay, at a glance. Birds possess various features that help them to fly, eat food, build nests, and live in different places. What's the process of various features they have that helps to fly, eat their food, build nests, and live in different places? Each bird lives in their own habitat. A bird has streamlined body that helps to fly. Their streamlined body, okay, that helps them to fly in the sky, right? The birds use their beaks to catch and eat food and feed their young ones. The bird what they use to beaks to catch and eat food, eat food and feed their young ones. Birds have different kinds of beaks to suit the type of food they eat. There are different types of beaks to suit the food they eat. Birds have different kinds of feet and claws. They have. They have 4 toes on each foot. There are 4 toes. Every bird has 4 toes on each foot. Feathers help the bird to keep itself warm and camouflage. The feathers help the bird to keep itself warm and camouflage. Okay. The birds fly with the help of their wings. Everyone knows. A bird flaps the wings in 2 special ways called the upstroke and the downstroke. The bird flaps the wings in 2 special ways. What? Upstroke, downstroke. The birds feed on different types of food, and depending upon their type of beaks and claws, they feed different types of food, depending on their beaks and claws. Birds build different types of nests to lay and hatch eggs. Birds build different types of nests. Birds lay their eggs in nests and look after them till their baby bird grows independent. They lay eggs and look after them till their baby bird grows. Till the bird grows independent. After that, they will leave the bird. Okay. So now we will go to terms to know important terms. What are terms we have to know? Habitat, a place which is occupied by a particular animal or plant to live in. Habitat means a place which is occupied by the particular animal or plant to live in. To live in, the animal and plant has a particular place. Beak, a hard point or curved outer tip of the bird mouth. You see like this, the tip, like this bird's tip. For example, a parrot, red color I'm taking. It has red beaks, okay? And what is a beak? A beak is a harder point and curved in the bird's mouth. It's a harder. Bird feeder, a container of food with bird feeder keeping outdoors. Bird feeder is a container. Think that this is your balcony and here is a bowl, okay? And it contains food for birds and animals. It contains food for birds, and it is kept in outdoors, only in outdoors, because no one. And bird bath is a small and shallow bowl that contains water for birds to drink, bathe and cool themselves. See, think that this is some water. It's for bird bath, like this. All of them are keeping in the balcony, not in the inside, because inside no bird will come. Now, body parts of a bird. See, beak, this is the beak. Head, see, this is the head. And wings, this is the wings. See, Eye, this is the eye. Feet, this is the 2 feet. Leg, this is the leg. This is little bit. Tail, this is the tail. Okay. Please mug up this one. Screenshot this one. Okay. Mug up this one. The types of nests we have a cup-shaped nest for tailor bird. This is the tailor bird. They have the so the cup-shaped nests are of tailor bird. See, it's a cup-shaped nest like this. A cup-shaped nest. A pendant nests of weaver bird. A pendant nests of weaver bird. See your mother wearing like this pendant. No, like this pendant only. A weaver bird, for a weaver bird. Please screenshot this all, because this is really a cavity nest for a woodkeeper. See in your teeth, in anyone's teeth who doesn't see your teeth. See your teeth when someone eats chocolate or milk chocolate, there is some cavities, right? So a cavity nest means a hole for the wood picker. For the wood picker, the cavity nest. And we are done. So now we will go to types of feathers. Flight feather. These are long and flat. These are long and flat. They are found on the wings and tail of bird. A bird. This is found in the wings and tail. Wing features are strong and used for flapping. These are strong and used for flapping. Tail features helps the bird to change directions during flight. During flight, the tail helps to change direction. Down feathers. These are located underneath of the body feathers. These are located in the underneath of the body. They are soft and fluffy. They are very soft and fluffy, and they help to keep the bird's body warm. They help to keep the bird's body warm. The down feathers. Body feathers. These are small feathers that cover the body with wings, tail of the bird. These body feathers are small feathers, very small feathers that cover the body and the wings and tail. 3 only: body, wings and tail of the bird. Okay. They give color and smooth shape of the bird. They give very smooth shape and color of the bird. They give body feathers. Okay. So this was our video. Thank you for watching. Bye. See? And what is this? This is the bunny. This is really cute, right? I have a bunny like that. Okay, so whatever. Bye.